Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 31st July 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 13 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Which country will host the Men's Cricket Asia Cup in 2025? Answer is India. The Asian Cricket Council has announced the host of the forthcoming biennial Men's Cricket Asia Cup to be held in 2025 and 2027. India will host the 2025 Asia Cup in T20 format, as the 10th ICC Men's T20 World Cup is scheduled to be held in India. The 2027 Asia Cup will be held in ODI format in Bangladesh, as the 14th ICC Men's ODI World Cup will be held in South Africa, Zimbabwe and Namibia in 2027. Question number 2. Who has inaugurated the India House during the Paris 2024 Olympics? Answer is Neeta Ambani. Neeta Ambani, IOC member and founder of the Reliance Foundation, inaugurated the India House during the Paris 2024 Olympics on 27 July. This marks India's first ever country house, providing a dedicated home for Indian athletes participating in the Olympics. India House, situated at Parc de la Villette in the Park of Nations, will operate daily from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. throughout the Olympics, from 27 July to 11 August. Question number 3. Google CEO Sundar Pichai was honored with Doctor of Science by which institute? Answer is IIT Kharagpur. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, was recently awarded the Doctor of Science Award by his alma mater, IIT Kharagpur. The honorary degree acknowledges the ones who made significant contributions to the field of science, academia, or the professional world. Sundar Pichai has a Bachelor of Technology degree in Metallurgical Engineering from IIT Kharagpur. Question number 4. Which country's Sado gold mine recognized as a UNESCO Cultural Heritage Site? Answer is Japan. The UNESCO World Heritage Committee on 27 July decided to register Japan's controversial Sado gold mine as a cultural heritage site. The mine on an island off the coast of Niigata in northern Japan operated for nearly 400 years and was once the world's largest gold producer before closing in 1989. It was also linked to Japan's wartime abuse of Korean laborers during World War II. Question number 5. Who is the youngest para swimmer to swim across the English Channel successfully? Answer is Jia Rai. 16-year-old Jia Rai of Mumbai became the youngest and the fastest para swimmer in the world to cross the English Channel. She covered the 34-kilometer in a new world record time of 17 hours and 25 minutes for a para swimmer. Jia Rai, who suffers from autism spectrum disorder, is the daughter of an Indian Navy personnel. Question number 6. Where has the statue of Kargil hero Captain Hanif Uddin been unveiled recently? Answer is Kerala. A statue of Captain Hanif Uddin, Veer Chakra awardee, a gallant officer of the Rajputana Rifles, was unveiled at his alma mater, Kerala School, in a solemn ceremony on 26 July 2024. Hanif Uddin, a braveheart from 11 Rajputana Rifles, laid down his life fighting valiantly against the enemy in the Turtuk area of Kargil, Ladakh, during the Kargil War with Pakistan. Question number 7. Which state announced the establishment of GRIT based on the Niti Aayog model? Answer is Gujarat. Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel recently announced the creation of the Gujarat State Institution for Transformation, GRIT, on 27 July 2024. Modeled after the Niti Aayog, GRIT will serve as a public policy think tank for the state. Patel also introduced the Gujarat at 2047 dynamic document roadmap for realizing the goal of Viksit Gujarat for a Viksit Bharat. Question number 8. Nicolas Maduro has been re-elected as the president of which country? Answer is Venezuela. The National Electoral Council of Venezuela has declared the sitting president, Nicolas Maduro, as the winner of the presidential poll held in the country on 28 July 2024. President Maduro was declared elected for this third six-year term as the president of Venezuela. A former bus driver, Nicolas Maduro, was elected the president of Venezuela after the death of the hugely popular socialist leader Hugo Chavez in 2013. He was again re-elected in 2018 for a six-year term. Question number 9. Who has recently released his memoir, Breaking Rocks and Barriers? Answer is Sudipta Sengupta. Sudipta Sengupta has released his memoir, Breaking Rocks and Barriers, published by HarperCollins India. The book about her groundbreaking achievements in geology and mountaineering. In 1983, Sengupta etched her name in history as one of the first Indian women to set foot in Antarctica. She was a crucial member of the Third Indian Expedition to Antarctica, which took place from 3rd December 1983 to 25th March 1984. Question number 10. Which has recently become the most chosen domestic FMCG brand of India? Answer is Parle. Parle, the biscuit brand owned by Parle Products, continues to be India's top FMCG brand. Parle remains the top in-home biscuit brand for 12 years in a row, according to Kantar's Brand Footprint report. With a CRP score of 7,980 million, Parle holds the top spot for a record 12th year in a row, followed by Britannia, Amul, Clinic Plus and Tata Consumer Products. Question number 11. Dr. Jitendra Singh recently honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award for research in. Answer is diabetes. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh was conferred the Lifetime Achievement Award in recognition of his exemplary dedication to the advancement of diabetology, diabetes care and diabetes research, which earned him acknowledgement across the country and overseas. The citation described Dr. Jitendra Singh as an author of 8 books and 3 monograms on various aspects of diabetes. Question number 12. Which state government recently decided to change the name of Ramnagar district? Answer is Karnataka. The Karnataka cabinet has approved the renaming of Ramnagar district to Bangalore South district. Ramnagar town, 50 kilometers from Bangalore, will continue to serve as the district headquarters. Ramnagar district was carved out of the erstwhile Bangalore rural district by the then Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy in August 2007. Question number 13. As per recent report, how many tigers have died in India in the last 5 years? Answer is 628 tigers. A total of 628 tigers died in India during the past 5 years due to natural causes and other reasons, including poaching, according to government data. According to the National Tiger Conservation Authority, 96 tigers died in 2019, 106 in 2020, 127 in 2021, 121 in 2022, and 178 in 2023. Meanwhile, 349 people were killed in tiger attacks during this period, with Maharashtra alone recording 200 deaths. The number of tigers in India stood at 3,682. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.